What's up guys, it's so crazy bro and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to do a part 2 of doing every comment. I hope this is also a banger for you guys, but before we get on that, I was just looking videos at YouTube. I saw people telling the audience about the Instagram account. It was frustrating that I saw, I'm not going to do that, go to Instagram and follow Coolest and Ruth. All the behind the scenes of my videos is gonna be on Coolest and Ruth on Instagram. I'm not going to tell that. Or am I? No, I'm not. Follow me on Instagram, Coolest and Ruth, right now. Can you make a knot? I can make a knot. Can you make an even? I can make an even. Can you do paper aeroplane trick shots? Yes, I can. Can you do emojis impressions? So guys, I don't think I can do all of them, but I'll try to do most of them. Yeah, I hope I can do them. Seriously? Can you teach us two how to do's that will blow our mind?
How to light a light bulb with only a potato. How to type faster.
So hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe, share, comment. And I don't think I'm going to do this doing all comment for a while, but keep commenting fun ideas, and I'll post a video of your comments after a long time, I guess, because I'm not going to do that for a long time. Like and subscribe, share, comment, and peace out.